How to remove Snapchat media upload on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to learn how we can remove Snapchat media upload problem on your Android device. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to remove that problem, you need to first make sure you have a good connection, internet connection. Make sure you have a stable one. If you don't have, you may just switch to a stable network with faster speed and then try uploading the media again. If that doesn't work, you may just update the app. In order to update that app, you just need to close the Snapchat. Simply open up Play Store and here go to search bar. After that, simply type in Snapchat. After typing in Snapchat, you just need to tap on Snapchat, and if any kind of update is available, you may just simply tap on update and wait for the update to be completed. After the update is completed, what you need to do is simply open up your Snapchat. The last thing we can do is just open up your Snapchat and go to the main settings of Snapchat. After going to the main settings of the Snapchat, I just want you to scroll down until you see box and suggestions. Under box and suggestion, you just need to go under box and suggestion, and here you can see report a bug. Just simply tap on it and here tap on friends. After that, you need to add an attachment and tell us, and here you may just choose a topic. I'm going to choose Snap. You may also choose that, and here you may just write out your problem of how you're not able to upload a media on your Snapchat. So therefore, just tap on submit after that, and after that just tap on submit, and just like that, Snapchat will reach out to you and help you fix your issue of you not being able to upload media on Snapchat. So therefore, follow the steps and your problems will be fixed. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.